basic of how do you install the stud system on the Van Muphy bed. So this is installation of the stud system for Van Muphy bed. We'll start with the installation of the ceiling runner support plate, which you see in the video. It's blue and will come to you in black. First thing we do is we set the plate in place, mark the holes where it's going to go. Notice that we use a magnet to hold the plate in place while we're doing this. We'll mark the holes, we'll take the plate down and drill the plate. Then we'll set the plate back in place and drill holes into the cross members of the truck. From there, we will do all of our rivets. We clean, obviously, and anything we're doing, we always drill and deburr everything and paint everything, just like anything that you're installing in the van, just because of moisture and what will happen in the long term. Lovely. So from there, we're going to go down to the stud now. The stud, we're going to attach the L bracket to the top of the stud. Normally with rivets, we normally would have to rivet to the back side and just set the stud in place. If your van has square corners at the top, that way it allows you to install your panel on the ceiling after you've done your wall panels and everything else. This bracket is a portion of these two brackets. These come together and there's a keyed lock to them. They're supposed to float. The main thing is this doesn't move. It's not going to really hold any weight. We're going to be able to mount this bracket to the back of this. We'll cut this stud to size, so we may have to re-drill these. So again, this is flush to the bottom. After we've got the top plate done, we'll install the vertical stud in the truck. We'll install it by doing the L bracket at the top first, and we're putting that together with rivets. We've made studs long enough to go to the base of the floor. Everybody does their floors a little bit differently. In your truck, you'll need to measure that stud and cut it appropriately for the floor that you have in it. From there, we're going to be measuring the bottom plate. So you'll mock up whatever wall thickness you have. Basically what you're going to do is we're going to be mounting this bottom plate. Dead center of that is where you want to be. Riv nuts on the back side, or plus nuts on the back side of the large bracket with the oval holes. And then the bottom brackets, we're simply using sheet metal screws that go down through the floor just to fasten to the sheet metal to keep it from shifting. That's all it's for. One thing that's important on the bottom bracket, we like to use spacers back here so it has a good firm base, but we like to have some area behind there. The way we do it, you can either put your panels in now or later. We prefer to have the wall panels in first before we do the stud, but the ceiling panel can go in at any time. Once that's mounted, you'll put it against the wall. So now you're going to be able to drill appropriate size holes for the fastening devices. Drilling, deburring, painting, and simply run your rivets and you're done. The next step, basically setting your stud in place. Your stud's now in place. Can't move. The only stress on the stud is vertically, and that's being carried by the weight of the L bracket at the top plate. From there, you'll go ahead and place your other two studs following the same procedure. So here we're just cleaning the paint off the threads. Now the fun part. This is where we attach the bracket to the stud using your 5/16 bolts into the bracket. You're pre-threaded on both sides. With this, you're just simply running your bolts into the stud, with a long extension, and you're able to just install that. So we've got several holes on the lower part of the stud. That's for adjustment for more of a permanent bed. So this straightens this out to get your height right. You can also install these beds with the quick adjustment on L-tracks, and that's generally what we're doing on the bunk beds. But every truck can be a little bit different. This is the basic install of the Van Muphy bed. As you can see, it's super simple. It can vary of where you put it. So there's a lot of options for the user to move this bed system around. You can use 3 brackets on your longer beds. If you're sleeping sideways in a 144, you only require 2 brackets, which is nice. Everything that you see here is just the basic bed system. We also have the bunk bed system where we use L-tracks on the top section, so we have a quick release bracket system that we use, and you can move your bunk beds up and down easily. You'll notice that the bolt system on this is you can move it up in several locations. It is easy to move, but we are finding that most people just fix this lower bed and then put their bunk beds and move those as they need. Cool thing about Van Muphy bed is it still gives you 48 inches of room from front to back in your truck, and you've got all the space you need for your beds and bunk beds. With Van Muphy bed, it just builds more space for your truck. So you're able to sleep sideways or long ways in your truck. You're able to move your bed up and down as needed, add beds, you're able to stagger beds. You have all the versatility you need in your camper van.